Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and I'm really excited to open my second Witch's Roots box today. This is for February 2019. Comes in a little mailer. It's small, but it smells delicious. It's always so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so we've got little twine, little parchment, essence of Saley. This is really, I'm probably saying it wrong, but willow. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Navy blue tissue, so lovely. All right. This is a beautiful silver satin. Oh, I think it's a selenite. Yep, it's a selenite wand. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me move this back so you get the full lovely effect of this magical box. All right. Saley, I'm guessing it's willow. I don't know. We'll see. Because the genus is Salix, so it probably is. But I will know definitively as soon as I look at the insert. But I like to open it first. This is a beautiful blue. Oh, beautiful. Dreams. It's got an inscription. Beautiful. I love the insignia. And here is some oil. I gotta push it through here. Slumber. Beautiful. I hope you guys can see how it's got stuff floating in it. It really reminds me of something, but I can't quite pinpoint it. This is another beautiful shade of blue. Got a lovely stone here. And this is the spigot, or the spewet. For the oil. Oops, I'm trying not to break it, but see, lovely. And a candle. I'm just gonna rip this because I always try so hard not to rip it and it never makes a lick of difference. See, beautiful. Sparkly light blue candle, and I can smell you, incense. I can smell you. Wonderful. Kind of smells like baby powder to me. All right, let's talk about this magnificence. So Saley, or willow bark, an extremely magical tree. So the theme is willow. Awesome. I love willow. Grandmother willow. Awesome. Wear or burn for spiritual journeying or to aid in divining the desires of the heart. So it just tells you a whole bunch of different things you can do with the willow herb bark, the willow bark. Slumber ritual body oil. Special blend has been created with fractionated coconut oil. Let's see. It's a sleep serum. I'm just trying to see. We've enchanted this ritual body oil with jasmine, lavender, and chamomile. In addition, we've included chamomile, lavender, and poppy seed herbs. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz, said to personify oneness with your aura. Cool. And that was this. And it came with like a little dropper. Moon illuminating affirmation spell candle. That's this here. Dreams spell coin with incantation. It's funny because I was literally listening to Dreams by Fleetwood Mac, which if you haven't heard it, look it up. It's one of the best songs ever, on the way home. So perfect. Moonstone, tumbled stone, a selenite wand, Deep Travels ritual incense, and this beautiful artwork. You guys, this is probably one of my very favorite boxes. It is sweet, perfect amount of everything. you could be making dreams come true and learning so much with this little box. Love it, love it, love it. $29, made by the Witch's Moon. This is called the Witch's Root. This is February 2019. The theme was Willow, and frankly, I love this box. I cannot get enough. So leave me some comments below. Give me some likes. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We're getting closer to that 200 subscriber giveaway. And frankly, this is my most popular video. So once this first one hits 1,000 views, or the second one, whichever one hits 1,000 views, I'm going to buy an extra box for one of my wonderful friends here on this channel. I'll be giving it away either March or April, depending on when that happens. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for all your support, and I look forward to seeing you again shortly. Bye.